My name's Tom Kramer, Marketing Product Specialist for AGCO Haytools in North America. Today, we're going to have an overview walk-around of the 1745 round baler. The 1745 makes a round bale 4 feet wide and maximum 5 feet tall. The average bale weights in dry hay are about 1,250 pounds. Today we're going to show you some of the features of this baler and how it will benefit your specific farming operation. We will begin by discussing tractor requirements and various different hookup specifications for the 1745 to the specific 4600 series tractor. The 1745 pairs very well with the 4600 series tractor. This specific model is 46 inch. As you will see, there's only one double-acting remote valve required from the tractor. This remote valve operates the tailgate. As you can see here, the electrical harness runs from the baler and plugs in to the deluxe monitor control up here that mounts in the cab. We also have an electrical plug-in for the baler to operate the lights. The baler only needs about 50 PTO horsepower to run. However, if you have steep hills or some rougher terrain, you may want to consider bumping up your horsepower requirement just a bit. Starting from the front of the baler, we'll follow the crop flow process. As you can probably see, you may recognize the pickup teeth on the pickup of this baler. This pickup uses the exact same pickup teeth as the 2200 series large square baler and the 2900 series round baler. The pickup teeth have a curved tip tine to help lift crop off the cut crop surface and help feed it into the main chamber of the baler. This adjustment here is for your pickup height. The pickup can be lowered up or down to meet your specific crop requirements. A good starting point is to have the pickup tines about 1 inch to 1.5 inches off of the ground. The pickup is exactly the same width as the chamber of the baler, 4 feet. However, the baler can be equipped with an optional gathering wheel kit. The gathering wheel kit brings stray pieces of crop on the outside of the windrows, picks them up, gathers them into the main chamber of the baler for enhanced crop feeding. This is an optional kit that will need to be field installed on your baler. Also available as a field install kit is a starting roll scraper. The scraper is used to help crop from wrapping on the starter roll, particular in higher moisture conditions. The baler is equipped with diamond style wedge grip belts. The belts are laced together with Alligator lacings. Alligator style lacings are the strongest in the industry. The belts are also staggered to help improve clean out and to reduce any maintenance issues. The baler is equipped with 2 side doors that fold out for easy surface access to the baler drive components. As you can see, underneath the shield of this baler, the baler is designed very simply. There is a minimum amount of chains and drive components on this baler. As you can see, the baler uses 2 hydraulic cylinders and a spring to maintain density on the bale as it's formed. This is unique to the other 4x5 balers in the industry. The baler is equipped with a very simple drive system. The baler is only equipped with 4 total chains. One chain to drive the belts, this chain to drive the starting roll, 1 chain to drive the pickup, and 1 final chain to actuate the twine feeding arm. Over here, the baler is equipped with 2 balls of twine storage on each side of the baler, totaling 4 total balls of twine storage. The baler comes with a wire feeding assist tool to help the operator feed twine from the boxes down through the twine tubes and out the front of the baler and down to the twine feeding arm. This particular 1745 is equipped with a mesh wrap system. The mesh wrap system is optional from the factory or can be field installed later if the customer desires. As you can see, the mesh wrap system has 4 service doors, 1 overhead, 2 side service doors, and 1 on the bottom side. This allows full access to the mesh system. You can also see the mesh system has storage for an extra roll of mesh. Now I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to load mesh in the 1745 round baler. First, take your new roll of mesh, set it on the tensioning arm, take your tail, stuff it behind this rubber starting roll, just like so. Take the mesh roll, drop it down into position, take the tensioning arm, drop it on the mesh roll, and you're done. Mesh routing can be done in about 12 seconds or less. This baler is equipped with a spring-loaded bale ramp kit. We also have a hydraulic kicker available. The 1745 is one of the only 4x5 balers in the industry with a hydraulic kicker. If you want one or the other, they can be field installed at a later time. There's only one roll on the bottom side of the chamber. This is the main starting roll. Some of our competition uses more than one roll. Those are extra rolls and extra horsepower the baler needs to drive. Whenever the bale is ejected from the chamber and the tailgate is lifted up in the air, the belts stay tight. On our competition, the belts go loose and create a hammock back here. Tight belts are good for belt wear life because they stay tight and under tension at all times. If belts go loose and then go back tight multiple times, you have a higher chance of wearing out your belts and your lacings. Let's have a look at some of the features on the front side of the baler. Right here, we have our bale height indicator. As the bale is built inside of the chamber, this arrow will come down and give you measurements of 3 feet, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and max bale height of 5. If you were making a 5-foot bale, at this point is when you would start the either twine tying or mesh wrapping process. This is our indicator for the twine tube. This indicator tells us at exactly what position the twine arm is as it's tying across the bale. And don't forget, this baler has the ability to mount a bale counter. The bale counter will mount right here behind the bale height indicator. So let's review some of the things we learned today about the 1745 round baler. The 1745 is indeed a 4x5 baler that makes 4 feet wide up to 5 feet tall and weighing about 1,250 pounds for an average dry hay bale. The baler hydraulic system uses a hydraulic cylinder and a spring on each side of the baler to control bale density. The baler can also be equipped with a bale ramp or bale kicker and the gathering wheel kit to help increase capacity. Some of the other field install kits we have for the baler are the fire extinguisher kit, the gathering wheels kit, the bale ramp kit, a bale counter, a starting roll scraper kit, the hydraulic kicker, a bale mesh kit, and lastly, a bale shape kit so that the operator can tell which way to drive the tractor and the baler to make an evenly bale. Thank you for joining us today on our 1745 walk around. One last thing, don't forget, this baler is backed by a 2-year warranty straight from the factory. That's how confident we are that these balers will perform to your needs. Again, thank you for joining us. See you next time.